Owabe eyisikhulu esiphezulu seSABC uLulama Mokhobo uphinde wabuya ukuzokwethula ubufakazi ngaphambi kweKhomishana ephenya izinsolo zokugwamandwa kwamandla ombuso eParktown eGoli. Luphinde lwabasematheni udaba lwesivumelwano sezigidi zamarandi phakathi kweSABC neMultichoice kulesigcawu namhlanje.
Evela ngaphambi kweKhomishana kaZondo nyakenye, Mokhobo wathi wengahambisani isivumelwano sezigidi ezingaphezulu kwama500 zamarandi esacikicwa ngo-2013 phakathi kweSABC neMultichoice ngenxa yokuthi wayibona ngathi ayilandelwanga imigudu efanele.
When Multichoice wrote a set of proposed provisions to Mr. Mutwening that would form the basis of the Multichoice and SABC multi-channel agreement, Multichoice had seen an opportunity to cause a major policy shift in the digital terrestrial transformation project.
Mokhobo uthi enye inkinga enkulu abanayo ngalesivumelwano ukuthi babebhekene nenkinga yokusebenzisana nenkampani eyifuna ukusebenzisa iSABC ukuzigodla amandla. Ezinye izinkampani zingakwazi ukungena emkhakheni wezithelevishini ekhokhelwayo.
We were sitting with people with very serious commercial interests who effectively wanted to dominate the market by hook or crook. And they saw the SABC as probably the most critical organization which could lend credence to their attempt at basically taking the entire market over.
Mokhobo uqhube wathi ngokungena kulesivumelwano ekuhambeni kwesikhathi iSABC yayizogcina ingasakwazi ukufeza imigomo yokusebenza kwayo.
How do you empower the citizenry if you do not do it via information? Best placed organization to provide on-the-spot information throughout the country without filters.
Mokhobo uthi lesivumelwano sacikicwa khathi kumhlaba khefu ngoNhlangulana ka-2013. Lesigcawu siyaqhubeka. Izindabeni zeSABC ngingombuso Mkhize, eGoli.